ड्रैग एंड ड्रॉप का मतलब है एक चीज़ को एक जगह से उठाया, उसको लेके चले और उसके बाद उसे उस जगह पे रख देना है जहाँ पर वो फोल्डर पड़ा हुआ है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, लेट्स सी हेयर. Now you can see on the screen there are the various things that we have kept on the desktop. Now what we want to do, we want to keep the same things that are related. जो भी चीज़ें हमारी ज़रूरत है, जो हमें लगता है कि वो इस फोल्डर में हमें रखनी चाहिए, उन पिक्चर्स को, उन चीज़ों को, उन सभी फाइल्स को हम लोग यहाँ से उठा के we will keep into the grade 2 folder. For example, how we will do this? Now see on the screen that I'm going to do the drag and drop operation. Now, for example, these are the different files that I want to keep inside the grade 2 folder. Okay, so for that, first of all, select the thing. Select means click with the mouse on that file that you want to move to the folder. For example, here I want to move this file into the grade 2 folder. So first of all, I will click on it. Then after clicking on it, you have to hold the left mouse button of the mouse. ठीक है, हम माउस का लेफ्ट बटन को होल्ड करके रखेंगे, आप उसे छोड़ेंगे नहीं जब तक कि हम ग्रेड 2 तक नहीं पहुंच जाते. क्लियर? दोबारा से, सबसे पहले जिस भी फाइल को हम लोगों को फोल्डर में लेकर जाना है, हम उसे सेलेक्ट करेंगे. सेलेक्ट करने का मतलब है माउस से हम उस फाइल पे क्लिक करेंगे. उसके बाद हम लोग अपने माउस के लेफ्ट बटन को प्रेस करके रखेंगे एंड देन वी विल स्टार्ट मूविंग. आप उसे मूव करवाते लेकर जाएंगे, आपने बटन छोड़ना नहीं है. जैसे ही हम लोग ग्रेड 2 पर अपनी फाइल को रखेंगे, वैसे ही हम लोग माउस को रिलीज कर देंगे. अब जैसे ही हमने माउस को रिलीज किया, यू कैन सी कि 1 नाम की जो फाइल थी वो ऑलरेडी यहाँ से चली गई है. व्हेन वी विल ओपन दिस, देन हेयर वी कैन फाइल द नेम ऑन द स्क्रीन. आपको शायद पूरी तरह से दिखाई ना दे, बट व्हेन यू विल डू दिस द सेम एक्सरसाइज जब आप करोगे तब आपको दिखाई देगा. ओके, सो यहाँ पर दोबारा से फॉर एग्जाम्पल मुझे अपनी दूसरी फाइल को भी मूव करवाना है. इफ़ आई ऑल्सो वॉन्ट टू मूव माई अनदर फाइल ऑल्सो, व्हाट वी विल डू, फर्स्ट वी विल सेलेक्ट द फाइल, देन we will move the file or we will drag the file. Drag means because we are holding the left button, if you will not hold the button, you will not be able to move the file. And then and when we reach to the grade 2 folder, we simply release the left mouse button. And when we click on the grade 2 folder, then you can see both the files are present in the folder. So that is the operation which is known as the drag and drop. Similarly, you can move any file inside the any folder by using drag and drop method or drag and drop operation. Next page. On the next page, they have seen here, these are the steps that how can you use drag and drop method or drag and drop operation to move any file into a folder. Here they have shown us that this is the file and this is the folder, and we want to move this file into the folder. For that, what you will use the mouse. First you will press the left mouse button, then you want to move this file into the folder by keeping the left mouse button on hold. Number 2, move or drag the mouse pointer to the folder, and number 3, release the mouse button, then you will have this file inside the folder. Now underline the lines. What is the drag and drop of files? What is this? Now underline the first point, select the file. How we will do the drag and drop? Select the file, by using the left click of the mouse. Number 2, drag the file using the mouse to the required folder. And number 3 is release the mouse. So these are the three steps that you need to learn, that how can we drag and drop the files inside the folder. First, select the file. Number 2, drag the file. And number 3, drop the file or release the mouse button to drop the file. Then, Jyoti, I hope that you all have underlined these lines. Jyoti selects and drags her music file. She releases the mouse when the mouse pointer is on the folder named JSongs. She then double clicks on the JSongs to open it. Then Jyoti, the file is inside the folder. I can see the file when I open the folder with the double click. Then Tejas is saying, great, can I move my folder to a different position on the desktop? So in here we are going to learn that how to move a folder also. If we want to move the folder also, then you are going to use the same drag and drop method. Means if you want to move anything inside the computer, then you can use drag and drop operation to move any file anywhere. For example, here as you can see on the screen, see, if I want to keep my grade 2 folder here, so I simply use drag and drop. Uh, Click the folder. When we click the folder, then hold the left mouse button and then move it. Then when we move it, and then when we reach to the destination, then we will release the button. Now you can see that from here this grade 2 folder has come to this position. So in computer, if you want to move any file, any folder or anything, then you can use drag and drop method. Then Mose is saying, yes, you can rearrange the objects on the desktop. Use the same method of drag and drop with the mouse. Simply drag the icon to wherever you want to put it and drop it when you reach that place on the desktop. Try it, that how can we move the files and folders on a desktop. Underline the lines. Reorganizing icons on a डेस्कटॉप. ऑर्गेनाइज का मतलब क्या है कि चीज़ों को सही तरीके से रखना. वेर इफ़ यू सी हेयर ऑन द डेस्कटॉप, आई एम हैविंग कोई फाइल कहीं पड़ा है, कोई फोल्डर कहीं पे पड़ा है, सो वी कैन कीप दीज थिंग्स इन वन folder. Here you can see that I used to move all these files inside one folder, and here I have arranged this folder. तो इस तरह से दोनों फोल्डर्स को मैंने यहाँ पे अरेंज कर दिया. सो दिस इज द ऑर्गेनाइजेशन. मतलब चीज़ों को सिस्टेमैटिक तरीके से, सही तरीके से रखना, दैट इज नोन एज द ऑर्गेनाइजेशन. Then how do we organize the icons on a desktop? Number 1, select the icon. Number 2, drag the icon. Please underline the lines. Select the icon. How we will select the icons? By using the left click of the mouse. So from here we can have these small questions, that from which click we can select any icon, or what is the icon. So from this video you will come to know all these short things, and you have to keep all these things in your mind also. Number 2, we will drag the icon. Drag means move the icon. Another meaning you can understand, the drag means move the icon or move anything. ड्रैग का मतलब है मूव करना. मूव द आइकन ऑन द डेस्कटॉप यूजिंग द mouse. How we can move anything on the desktop? With the help of mouse. Number 3, release the mouse in an empty space to drop the icon at that place. And then how, after reaching to the particular place, we can release the mouse. Then Tejas and Jyoti organize the files and rearrange the desktop as shown below. Now you can see here in the pictures, this is the first picture where there are some pictures are there. These are the audio files. Again, one picture is there. So the name may not be visible on the screen, but you can see in your book the names will be clear to you. So here in first picture we are having these pictures and audio files on the desktop. Then in second picture what we are doing, we are moving these pictures file into the folder. Now we will use for moving any file into the folder drag and drop operation. So here these are the audio files. ये हमारी audio files थी. What we will do, we will also move these files into the music folder. In this way, in our last picture you can see that from first picture, in the first picture there are so many items on the desktop, but when we organize all the things, when we keep the items related in one folder, then in this way we make the desktop clean. We make the desktop clean and clear here. So here we are having only two folders. The same thing, the same actually यहाँ पर भी हम लोगों ने सेम वही चीज़ें की हैं, बट दे आर यूजिंग द टू पिक्चर्स हेयर फॉर डिफरेंट ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम. सो नीड नॉट टू वरी कि ये दो पिक्चर क्यों हैं. जस्ट सिंपल focus on the concept that we want to tell you, that here on the screen we are having different things. So instead of making such इतनी ज़्यादा डेस्कटॉप को हैवी करने के बजाय, what we will do, we will use drag and drop method to move the related files in one folder. Then Tejas Mose, I want to create a file of a story that I wrote and save it in another folder named T Stories. Now Tejas is saying that now he is going to write his story, and then he will going to save that file into the folder named T Stories. Similarly, Jyoti is saying, I want to create a file for my poems. Then Moz, okay, you can use the text editor to create the text files tomorrow. Chin Chang. So I hope, dear students, that you may know the concept now. What is a file? File means everything that we are storing inside the computer, that is known as the file. And the folder is the container that is used to store the files in it. Then we learn that how can we make the new folder. For making the new folder, first go to empty space, then make a right click, then we will have the option of new, and then from new we will go to the folder option. In this way we can make a new folder. न्यू फोल्डर अगर आप नाम नहीं दोगे, then computer will take the name new folder. But if you will give the name new folder, if you want to change the name, then you can change the name also by making a right click on the folder. You will have rename option. Second is after that we have learned about the drag and drop. Drag and drop is the operation or the method through which we can move the files into the folder. किसी भी चीज़ को कंप्यूटर में मूव करवाना है, then we are going to use drag and drop method. So in this way we have learned the concept of file and folder, how can we create and how can we move the files into the folder. So I hope that you all must be clear with the concept. Thank you.